What's up guys, I've got a quick video for you. I'm gonna do a review on a Porter Cable tabletop tile saw. Now I reviewed this saw once before. I'll put a link in the description below. The only difference was that review is for a 20 volt cordless Porter Cable tile saw. Now we weren't very impressed. We were not very impressed with the run time. I mean, it did not give us as many cuts as we anticipated and hoped for. So that saw did not work out for us. Very excited to test this one out. We really love the build quality. The build quality on the saw is fantastic. It has a rolling tray, that's fantastic. I mean, in our opinion, this might be the best tabletop saw on the market right now. Let's quickly assemble it, put it to the test, and find out how well it performs. Here we go. Well, there you go. Like before, a 5-minute assembly time. Let's show you the saw once again. Only difference with this saw is this cord here. This is where the outlet was for the 20 volt battery. Now it's a cord. Got a stainless steel top, roll cage, nice solid handle to carry this thing around. It's very light for the size of this saw. It's a little bigger than your typical tabletop tile saw. On and off button here. It comes with a Porter Cable 7-inch tile saw blade. And the best part of this tabletop tile saw is this. Unlock the tray. See that, guys? I don't believe there is a tabletop tile saw on the market that does this. Sliding tray. So we're excited about this one. I have a good feeling that we're gonna keep this in our toolbox. We'll test it out. We're gonna run some hard porcelain through it, large format, some porcelain planks, some 1/2-inch thick porcelain as well. Let's put it to the test. All right, so let's show you what tile we're gonna cut today. We're gonna cut some marble. Got some marble scrap there to cut. 12 by 24 large format porcelain. We've got a 3-foot porcelain plank. We're gonna rip that, see how well it performs on that. 1/2-inch thick porcelain here. See if that slows the motor down or if it can handle that. We've got subway ceramic. Of course it'll cut this, but the cool thing about this saw is you can tile an entire shower with a small tabletop saw like this if you use something like a subway ceramic, rather than setting up a big full 10-inch wet saw outside, downstairs. If you're working in a small bathroom and you have a small amount of area to work in, like we do a lot, having a tabletop tile saw, especially with a rolling tray, helps out a lot. And we'll also cut some mosaic backsplash, sheeted. We have some scrap there as well. So anyhow, let's fill her up and see how well this saw performs. I don't have a bucket. Let's listen to the motor. Now it's got some great water coverage on that blade. I can feel it spraying all over my hand. First, we'll cut some 3x6 subway ceramic. Has a fence back here as well. Cuts that like warm butter. Again, like I said, you can use this saw to tile an entire shower, no problems at all. If you were using something a little softer and smaller like a subway ceramic, try some marble. Very clean cut there. Let's try some large format 12 by 24 porcelain. Very clean cut as well. All right, we'll cut some glass and stone backsplash. After this, we'll put this saw to the ultimate test. We'll cut 1/2-inch porcelain and we'll also rip a 3-foot porcelain plank. Here we go. That's a good cut there also. I didn't realize that this backsplash had some metal in it. It cut the metal without a problem. Glass, stone, and metal backsplash. Now for the ultimate test. 1/2-inch, very hard porcelain tile. We'll see how well it performs on this. After this, we will rip a 3-foot porcelain plank. Here we go. Very clean cut as well, as you can see. Impressive. All right, guys, final test here. We've got a 3-foot porcelain plank. We're gonna rip this, cut it long ways. Now, there is not a tabletop tile saw that can accurately cut a porcelain plank, rip it long ways. So, let's see if this porter cable can. We've got our straight fence set up here. They provide a fence for diagonal cuts as well as straight cuts. We have it at a straight cut, so let's cut this porcelain plank. Here we go. Well, there you go. Not a bad cut. Hit it with the rubbing stone. Yes, it can rip a porcelain plank. Well, there you guys have it. I've got to say, I think definitely right now this is the best tabletop tile saw that is on the market at the moment. This thing is not only for DIYers, but tile contractors also, if you're working in a small space. You can tile an entire shower with this tile saw and Subway ceramic. You can tile backsplashes, small floors, you name it. So we are absolutely keeping this tile saw. It's definitely going in our toolbox. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.